Yeah. Metro on the beat, Metro on the beat.
Metro on it.
Yo. What's up, y'all? This is Games Graphics. We're back in the building with another GTA 5 mod video for you. This is for GTA 5 on PC. Once again, GTA 5 for PC. Today we're going to show you how to install Addon Peds, the mod, into your GTA 5. Alright, so there's a couple of things you're going to need first before you install any mod. You're going to need your native UI, your Lua plugin, your script hook V, your scripthookv.net, and some trainers, menu or simple trainer, and your most important Open4. I'm gonna have all those links down in the description. So as soon as you have those installed, let's jump right into it. We're gonna need to install Addon Peds. I also have the link down in the description. Once you install Addon Peds, you want to go ahead and install a ped, any ped that you want. I got Homer Simpson. I have the link in the description as well. We're just going to use him for the tutorial purposes. Excuse me. All right, now that we have Addon Peds installed, let's go ahead and open up our game directory. My game directory is located in my Steam apps. If you have Steam apps, just go ahead and inside your Windows right here, and then click on Program Files 86. Scroll down to Steam. Then you go to Steam Apps. Then you go to Common, and you have your folder right here. Right now that we have our folder, let's open up our Addon Peds zip. All right. Now we're going to click on DLC packs, and you'll see a folder that says Addon Peds. What we're going to do with that, we're going to go and update 64 DLC packs, and then we're going to grab our folder and drag it on over into the DLC packs right here. I already have it there, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Okay, so we'll go back to our directory right here. So remember, this Addon Peds folder is going to go inside the update folder. Update 64 DLC packs, and right here is where your Addon Peds folder will go. Excuse me. All right, now that we got that in there, we're going to go to scripts. Go over here again. Oops. And scripts inside here. Then we're going to grab pet selector. We're going to pull pet selector over here. Drop it down. I already have it in there, but I'm going to replace it. All right, now that our pet selector is inside of our scripts, let's go back to our directory, main directory, and then we'll go back up. All right, now these two files that I'm clicking on, your Addon Peds editor application and your Addon Peds vars XML. You want to grab those two and bring those right over to your main directory right here. I already have it, but I'm going to replace over it. Then you should see your two files right here inside the main directory with GTA 5. All right, now that we have our DLC packs installed, we have our script installed, and we have two of our files installed in the main directory. Let's go ahead and minimize that and open up our Open4. All right, I already have mine pre-opened. So now that we have our Open4 open, we want to go to update, then update RPF right here. All right, and if you don't have it in your mods folder, go ahead and click copy the mods folder. All right, then you want to click on common data and then scroll down and you'll see DLC list right here. Now you can pull DLC list right out and put it on your desktop. Right click on it and open it with Notepad, and you can see everything inside of it. Or you could just go ahead and right click and pick edit, and you will be able to do the same thing, edit inside. I'm going to use this option right now. What I'm going to do is take the line before, and I'm going to copy that. All right, then I'm going to press enter, create an empty line, and I'm going to paste that same line. Now what I'm going to do is take Addon Peds, just the name. I want to make sure I have the same exact name that's on the folder in my DLC, and I want to paste it right here. There we go. I just want to paste it right there. I want to make sure that everything is lined up with everything. Then I'm going to click save. All right, once you got that done, get that out the way. You can double click on it, scroll down just to check to make sure it's still there. All right. Now that that's done, let's go to update, our update folder right here. Then we're going to click on 64 DLC packs, and then we'll locate Addon Peds folder. Click on that, click on DLC, and if we don't have it already inside our mods folder, which we don't because we're doing this all from scratch, we're going to click copy the mods folder. All right, then we're going to click on Peds, and this right here is where you will see your Peds. The app, the mod, excuse me, already comes pre-installed with Superman and Vito from Mafia. So this is where we're going to put Homer Simpson at. All right. So now that we have Addon Peds all installed, let's go ahead and close the zip, and we can open up our Homer Simpson zip. Now we're only going to need these last 4 files right here, the YTD, YMT, YFT, and YDD file. Okay, we're going to grab those files, all 4, and then we're going to bring them and drag them right here, just like I did. All right. Now, once we add all of our add-on peds that we want to add on, I'm just going to add 1 right now. But say you want to add 5, okay, go ahead and just keep repeating the same process. And once you're done with that, go ahead and close that out. Then we're going to open up our GTA directory, and those last 2 files that we added from the add-on ped, we're going to click on the first one, add-on peds editor. We're going to right click on it and run it as administrator. Click yes. Then you'll see a little box pop up like right here. We could go ahead and minimize the GTA 5 directory. Now this is where we'll be adding our peds inside the game. What we're going to do is click on the name of the ped. Then we're going to copy that name. We want to make sure we have it exact way that it is inside of our Open4. Then we're going to click on new peds. We're going to paste the name right here in the model name. Then we're going to click male, whatever the ped is, male or female. You want to make sure it's correct right here. And then it's going to say is streamed. We're going to put false. Okay. The only ones that are true are the characters that have a folder. Like Vito. Vito is true. Superman is false. Homer is false because they don't have any folders. Okay. So after we're done installing him, we're going to click add ped, and then we're going to click on rebuild. All right. I like to click on rebuild twice just to make sure. So after you install a new ped, you go ahead and make sure the information is correct. Click on add ped, then you click rebuild. All right. So as soon as all the add-on peds is installed, we're all good to go. Let's go ahead and close this out, and we can close out our directory. All right. And we could go ahead and start GTA. All right. Right.
Hey, darling.
Now that we arrived in the game, in order to open up your Addon Peds menu, you want to press L. And there you go, folks. Click on Addon Peds. I previously already had Addon Peds inside here, so it will remember the last time that you added Peds. But let's go down to Homer and booyah. There we go. Got Mr. Homer live in the flesh. Homer Simpson, y'all. And that's how you Addon Peds, folks. This is Gabe's Graphics, y'all. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Also hit that good like button. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Until next time, y'all. Me and Homer, we out of here. Oh, they got guns.
I ain't scared of you motherfuckers.